PayPal is now finally back in Nigeria, and I can tell you that this is great news for both freelancers and remote workers, because right now we cannot easily receive payments in foreign currencies from our foreign clients. But the downside with it is that you can't just go to the PayPal website or PayPal app to create your PayPal account. No, because PayPal coming to Nigeria is a collaboration between PayPal and a particular platform. So for you to create your PayPal account, you have to go through this platform for your PayPal account to be activated. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create your PayPal account from scratch. So make sure you watch to the very end. Don't skip any part so you won't make any mistake while creating your PayPal account. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Wise. On this channel, I teach about websites where you can make money online and also do reviews on websites that help you grow online. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you love what we do on the channel, then hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I leave video just like this, you'll get notified. Like this video and share this video to as many that you know this video will be helpful to. So without more further ado, let's dive into the video. So to create your PayPal account, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone you are using. Go to it and search for Paga. Yeah, that is the app we'll be using. Paga, P-A-G-A. That is the Paga app. Search for it and install it, just as you can see on my screen. Install it, and once you finish installing it, click on open. Once you open it, click on sign up and choose Nigeria. Then input your phone number and click on send code. Then you choose how you want to receive your code, and the code will be forwarded to you. Just input the code will be forwarded to you. Input the code and you'll be asked to do a face verification. Just click on allow your camera to do face verification and do your face verification. This will help them to know that it's human that is actually creating this account. Then you wait for your ID to be processed, and once it's done, you should submission complete. Then you just click on continue. Once you are done with your face verification, you put your email and password. Then you have to verify it again with the phone number you use in creating your NIN. Then click on verify NIN with the phone number you are using, the phone number you use in creating your NIN to verify it. So just put the phone number there. They are not going to send any code to it. Just put the phone number there and use it to verify it. So once you are done with that, you put your address. Yes, set your address. And once you are done, set your address. You look for your address. That is your state, your local government, and the town, the city you are from. Yes, once you are already put all that in, just click on looks good. Then over here you choose on the name you want to be using. That is something like username you want to be using. You can either choose any of this one here, or you can create your personal one. So once you are done that, click on I like this one. I like this one at the down. You just click on that and your account have been created. Your Paga account have been created. Then you can fund your account or just back it. Then click on I will explore on my own. Then once you are done with that, just click on this place at the top where it say NIG. Yes, this Nigeria logo at the top. Click on it. Once you are done with that, then once you are done with that, click on PayPal account. Just as you can see at it down here, click on PayPal account. Then they'll ask you to provide your BVN. Put your BVN. Just copy and paste your BVN on it. And once you already put your BVN, just click on verify BVN, and your BVN will be verified. Then you use your phone number again, the phone number using creating your BVN, to verify the BVN so they will know that it's you that actually owns the BVN. You put the phone number you use in creating that BVN, use it to verify it. Once you are done, it will take you back. Click on this account over here. this Nigeria account over here, come back and click on paper, and you ask you to verify your email. Go to your email, and you see this verify email address here. Click on it, and your email address will be verified. It's very simple. It's not going to take you anything. Just click on it, and your email address will be verified. Once you are done verifying your email, go back to your Paga app and click on the paper again, and it will ask you to connect paper. Click on connect the paper. Wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, over here you have to put your email. You click on sign up, not login, because you don't have a click. Then all your details will be here. Just wait to just choose to just put your date of birth. That is your month, the day, and the year. That's just the only thing you just have to just put there. Once you have put everything there, just click on next, and it will ask you to do some security tests. You ask you to run some security tests. Just click on it. I'm not a robot. And it will ask you to either use your email to verify or your phone number to verify. Then after everything, once you are done with everything, you put your email address, then you put your password, confirm your password, and you click on agree and continue. Then give it time to load up. Once it's done loading, click on agree and connect. Then your paper account will be connected to the Paga app. Just wait while it's loading. Then your paper account have been successfully connected. Just click on continue, and just back this stuff that is showing stuff. Then everything, this thing have been created. Your paper account have been created. Just remove all this stuff. You can solve them later. You just can see this is your paper account here. You can see it here. Paper is tick at the down. And see your paper account have been created. So the next thing you have to do, just to go back to your email. There's some stuff there's some email they will send you to do some verification. Just go back there and do the verification, like your passport, or you can either use your passport or your driving license or your NIN to do your verification. So it's just as simple as that. Once you are done with that, your paper accounts have been created, so you can start using it. So this is just how you can create your paper account without any stress. It's as simple as this. So if you have any question regarding the paper account or regarding any other issues about anything online, drop your question in the comment section and I'll be ready to give you a reply. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching.